Hi guys, this is IGCSE O-Level Chemistry Paper 12, June 2013, question 31. The diagram shows a stage in the purification of dirty water. So we have dirty water passing through sand, then pot with holes in the bottom, in the pot with holes in the bottom. Then it passes through fine gravel, then it passes through coarse gravel. So this is basically filtration taking place, different levels of filtration to remove as many as undissolved particles from the water as possible. Which process does this apparatus show? Chlorination? No. Condensation? No. Distillation? No. Filtration? Yes. Therefore, option D is the correct option for this question. Question 32. The diagram shows two processes. One is rusting. Before we have iron and after we have rust. And then welding. Before we have two pieces of iron and then we have got two pieces of iron being joined together. For which process is oxygen involved? Rusting involves oxygen because Fe is converted into Fe2O3. So this eliminates option C and D. And welding uses oxygen to burn the torch and to melt the two pieces of iron together, which means weld them together. So this eliminates option B and makes option A the correct option for this question. Question 33. Which substance would make the best general fertilizer? So we have relative amounts of phosphorus, potassium, and nitrogen present and their solubilities in water. So let's look at the solubilities. A fertilizer must contain these minerals in the soluble form. So options A and C are soluble, B and D are insoluble, eliminating options B and D. Now let's look at A and C. In A, there is zero potassium present. So that makes it an ineffective fertilizer. So A gets eliminated. This makes option C the correct option for this question. Question 34. Which information about carbon dioxide and methane is correct? So form when vegetation decomposes, this should be methane, not carbon dioxide. So both are incorrect. Is a greenhouse gas. Both of them are greenhouse gases. So this is correct. Present in unpolluted air. Carbon dioxide is present in unpolluted air. Methane is not present in unpolluted air. And produced during respiration. Carbon dioxide is produced during respiration. Methane is not produced during respiration. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option B. Question 35. Which process does not produce carbon dioxide? Fermentation of sugar produces ethanol and carbon dioxide. Respiration produces carbon dioxide and water. The production of lime from limestone is basically calcium carbonate being thermally decomposed to produce calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. And the treatment of acidic salt with lime produces salt and water because acid would react with base. So this will not produce carbon dioxide. So the correct option for this question is option D. Question 36. Organic compounds may have names ending in ene, ol, or oic acid. How many of these endings indicate that compound contains double bonds in their molecules? So ane means alkane, all single bonds. Ene means alkene, a double bond. All means alcohol, a single bond, and oic acid has a C double bond O present. So two out of these four names indicate the presence of a double bond, making option B the correct option for this question. Question 37. In the flow chart, which fuel could be gasoline? Is it obtained from petroleum? Yes. Is it used as fuel for cars? Yes. So the correct option for this question is option A. Question 38. The structures of four molecules are shown. So P is a carboxylic acid. Q is an alcohol. R is an alkene. And S is once again a carboxylic acid. So the question asks, which two molecules belong to the same homologous series? So that should be both the carboxylic acids present, which is P and S. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 39. Which columns describe the hydrocarbons ethane and ethene? State at room temperature would be gas for both. So this eliminates 3 and 4. And reaction with oxygen, both of them will burn. Reaction with aqueous bromine, no reaction makes one ethane, and decolorizes bromine makes two ethene. So one is ethane, two is ethene. One is ethane, four is incorrect. Two is ethene, three is incorrect. Three and four are incorrect. Therefore, option A is the correct option for this question. Question 40. Which process is not used during the production of ethanol? Addition of steam to ethene? Yes, this is used. Fermentation, sugar being converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide? Yes, this is used. Fractional distillation is used to separate ethanol from the other components. Reacting ethane with oxygen. Now, reacting ethane with oxygen is basically combustion of ethane, and this does not produce ethanol, it produces carbon dioxide and water. So, reacting ethane with oxygen is a process which is not used during the production of ethanol, making option D the correct option for this question.